Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to start by doing some origami that shows us how to do certain shapes. Okay? So I need you to take one piece. If you have more than one piece, that's perfect because you're going to need more than one piece. Okay? Please take it out. We are going to follow the directions. You should have these directions next to you. These directions right here next to you. Okay, and following along as I go through them. Okay, so we are going to, remember everything you say, it shows up. Okay, we're going to start with facing the square with the white facing up. So you want the white facing up. Okay. Next, we're going to fold the square in half with the color out. So the more precise you are with this, the better it turns out. So if you make sure you match your edges really well, the better it turns out. Okay, you're going to open up the paper with the color down again. And then you're going to fold the end up to the middle where you made your crease. And you're going to fold it to the middle where you made your crease. If you need me to wait, let me know. Because you're going to have to make more of these. And so this one I'm going to show you on your own. The next ones you'll have to do. All right, you're going to flip it over so these folds are against the table so it looks like this. You just have a solid piece. Okay. This is where it gets a little bit confusing. Watch first before you do it. I'm going to take one corner and pull it up so it's flush with the top. Like that. Okay. Again, I took one corner and pulled it till it was flush with the top. What shape does this make right now? This is a trapezoid. Good. So we made it from a rectangle to a trapezoid. All right. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to turn my trapezoid 180 degrees. And I'm going to take this end and put it up, and it becomes a what? What shape is this? Parallelogram, because these two sides are longer. So it can't be a rhombus. If you're confused, please ask a question.
What did you do?
I turned it 180 degrees and made it into a parallelogram. Okay, now I'm going to take this point and bring it down to the middle diagonal. And then I'm going to take this point and bring it up. So I've created what shape now?
Square.
This is a square.
That looks like a kite.
Oh, square.
It has 4 equal sides. Kites do not have equal sides.
Oh.
So I went from a parallelogram, folded it in, folded it in. I now have a square. Okay. You're going to have to make 6 more of these. So I'm going to pass you out more. You're gonna make
All we need is squares.
Hold on, let me stop the recording, and then I'm going to pass out more for you.
You guys you have to fold the paper.
Ladies and gentlemen, even if you're not done with all of your shapes, I'm going to show you how to put them together. Okay? So you're going to take 2 of your pieces, And you set them up so they're opposite each other, right? And so we're going to slide one in one side. And then we're going to take another piece. And we slide it in the other. So you should have where it's got 2 reds and then 2 different colors. I'm going to do it slower this time. Okay, you ready? Okay. You're going to take the triangle side and slip it in to the square side. Like that. And then the triangle side into the square side. Triangle side into the square side.
Okay, I really quit now.
Okay, hold on.
Again, you take a triangle, slide it into a square.
It is a cool.
Triangle to square.
No.
Okay. You'll end up with your cube. Okay? And then you're going to answer these questions on the back. Imagining that this dark side right here is 12. I want to know what the side lengths of this square are at the end. And then you're going to generalize it, saying that this side is x, and I want to know what you get at the end. Okay, this is the homework on the back. All right, so everybody in here can attempt this. I don't know if everybody will get the right answer, but I want to see everybody attempt both the top and the bottom. It is 10 points. I am going to come around to help you with your box if you're having trouble pushing it together. Let me stop the recording first, and then I will come to your table.